Okay, in this problem we have z is equal to x raised to y, where x is t cubed and y is sine t. And we want to compute the derivative of z. And in this problem we'll use this trig formula in order to solve it. So we can say that the derivative of z is equal to this. So the first thing we want to get is, let's say, the derivative of x. So the derivative of x will simply be 3t squared. And next we'll get the derivative of y. So the derivative of y would be cosine t. And now we will get the partial derivative of x. So the partial derivative in terms of x for this would be y times x raised to y minus 1. This is because we're treating y as a constant, like a random number, let's say 5. And if we're taking this in terms of the derivative, we would distribute the 5 and x would remain the same. So like this. Likewise, we want to get the partial derivative of this in terms of y. So in this case, the x is a random constant. We can say 5, and now we take the derivative. And in doing so, we would get x raised to y times ln y. And now all we need to do is place everything in the correct order. So let's scroll down. And so we would get, for the first one, we want the partial derivative in terms of x, so this. So y times x raised to y minus 1 times the derivative of x, so 3t squared, plus the partial derivative in terms of y, so x raised to y, ln y, times the derivative of y, so cosine t. And so this is our final answer. And that's all we need to do for this problem.